Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we had done maths, backward numbers 100 to 51, which we wrote in our notebooks as well. So today we'll do a quick recap of 100 to 51, and then we will write 100 to 51 numbers in our notebook, and then we'll do a fun activity. So let's get started. So children, today we are going to do backward numbers 100 to 51. So repeat after me, children. 100, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. So let's begin with today's date. Today is 1313.10.20. Leave two boxes and then we will write backward. First alphabet will be capital B and the rest will be small. B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward. Then one finger space and then we will write capital N and the rest of the alphabets will be small. So U, M, B, E, R, S. Backward numbers. Next line we will write 100, 100 dash 51. Then we will leave the next line after that, and next to the margin we will write H T O dot TO dot TO dot TO, and then in the next page on the same line next to the margin you will write one more TO. So first will be H2O and then 4 times TO. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
So children, H stands for 100, T for tens and O for ones.
So our first number is 100. So we will write 100, 100. Then it is 99. So 99 will come under tens and ones. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Then 90, 90. Then 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Then it will be 60, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. So children, the way I have written 100 to 51 in backward numbers, you also have to write it the same way along with the heading in your own books, neatly and nicely, okay? So let's start with a fun activity. What do I have here? Yes, it's a road track. So here I have some cars for you, and we are going to place all the cars with the counting the backward numbers. Wow, don't they look lovely? Yes, so let's start, children. So our backward numbers today is 100 to 51. So we begin with placing 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, then 90, 89, 88, 87, 86. Wow, they look amazing, don't they? 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Then we have 80. Then we have car number 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Then what comes before 71? Yes, car number 70. Then we have 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Then we have 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, car number 54, 53, 52, and last car number is 51. So children, this is our beautiful road track with all the numbers from 100 to 51. Don't the cars look amazing? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed the activity. So children, keep practicing your backward numbers, and till we meet again, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.